siya. Okay. Thankfully, on the third day, I didn't feel any pain at all. But yeah, overall, it was okay. No crazy pain at all. It's the same feeling as when I got my flu shot, pretty much. The same feeling. And no body pain, crazy body pain, or fever. My second dose will be on the second, I think, first week of August. So I hope there won't be any side effect because I've heard that some people actually felt the side effects or had the side effects, yeah, quite worse during the second dose. So I hope it won't be like that in my case. Here we go. It's right there, but we can only park till there. I have to walk till there. So, andito na kami sa sa testing location dito sa Denbos. Iwan si uy, sound tight. So iwan ko na lang sila, hindi sila pwedeng sumama doon. I'm not sure if we still need to wear a mask inside, but I think we need to. Yeah. See you later, Anna. See you. Doy mama. Doy. So walking there now. Yun lang yun. May white na tent doon. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-film clearly sa loob. So yeah. So tapos na. Right after the second prick, medyo na-feel ko yung manhid agad right after talaga. But then after a few minutes, nawala naman siya. We'll see how it goes later kasi nung first dose ko, after an hour or two, medyo namanhid na yung, nag-tight na yung aking braso. So for now, okay pa naman siya. So ito na yung vaccination book ko, yung yellow. And then, yeah, hinihintay na ako ni Ruth at ni Ana sa parking. May binigay silang card kasi dapat ipakita mo yata na yung card sa parking ba. So yeah, see you later. Andito na kami sa center. Medyo sleepy si Ana. Si Ruth nag-ano pa, nababayad ng parking. Ana, if you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Ne? Sleepy. Somebody is sleepy. Yeah? Sleepy si Ana eh. So yeah, we'll see how it goes kung anong mangyayari. Sana walang fever, ano. Hindi naman ako nagka-fever nung sa first dose. Medyo manhid lang for 2 days yung aking dito. Yung braso, sobrang manhid. And the second day, it was worse because I almost could not really move my braso at all. But okay naman siya after 2 days. Wala naman, parang wala ding nangyari. Anna's listening to me. So, some of my friends, or yeah, some people I know who had their second dose and then had fever afterwards or got sick afterwards. So, depende din siguro no? Depende talaga sa tao. But I really hope walang masyadong, what's this? Symptoms ba? Kasi nga, may baby tayo dyan, oh. Malaking baby dyan, oh. Malaki. Joke. Unlike last time kasi nung first dose ko, si Anna was with her grandparents, but this time, they're away. So, yeah. Kami lang ni Ruth. So, andyan naman si Ruth. So, we'll see. I hope it's okay, Anna. Yes. Natawa yung palanggan ako. See you. Papunta na kaming center. Magdakad-dakad kami doon at kakain siguro. See you. Nasa center na kami. Nagdidede si Ana. Ayan. Oh, nakataas pa yung isang paa. Kumusta ang aking dangas dyan? So yeah, lakad-lakad lang kami dito and hanap ng pagkain.
Lakad-lakad dito?
Lakad-lakad means we'll just walk around and look for food.
Yeah.
Like, see what we can get from here. Hi. Look who's having McDonald's. Anna. Xin chào. Mush babush. Bahay na kami. 3 hours after ng vaccine. Okay naman. Sakit lang yung yung braso ko. Bugtaw ba? Parang namamaga. Pero hopefully wala namang lagnat mamaya. Hopefully wala. Anna is sleeping. Nakakatuwa yung reaction ni Anna. Nagpunta kaming McDonald's earlier. And then she was so happy. So yeah. I'm currently making lumpia kasi bibisitahin ko namin yung kaibigan namin na Filipino sa Pinay. Agoy, dito na. Ito na problema nito. Pag naghihiwa ng ng sibuyas. Damihan ko yung sibuyas para mabango ba. Lagot ko. Basta inani. Dudong! Buang.
Yeah?
Do you want to chop the onions? I'm filming.
How do I chop onions?
Do you want to chop the onions?
But will I do it?
He's the chef. Master chef.
What's... Oh! I like this.
Yeah, I know. You know, makes you carry either.
Same as I looked at my wallet for. Same feeling.
What's that?
The same as I to look to my wallet also. Like.
Yeah, but you don't normally have bills in your wallet or notes.
Nee, that's true.
You don't normally have notes because you normally use your pass.
Yeah.
But that was the same too in Vietnam. I didn't normally have cash naman. Matangtang na yung eyeliner ko.
They must be all chopped.
I like that. Ano na to? Ang style ni Ruth sa pag-chop.
outside, I think.
Does make you... Wait, it doesn't hurt?
No, not yet.
Maybe because you're taller.
Yeah, that means a big difference. No, by me it will hurt too, but not yet.
I'm making lumpia to bring to Friesland. Not all of it. That's enough, I think.
Okay,
I
yeah.
just finished everything. I put a little bit left. You said you did a cooking course?
Yeah, half a day. One evening. It's not a real course, but
What,
it's
like-
just one evening. Forgotten winter soup.
Huh?
Forgotten winter soup.
Forgotten? Why forgotten? That's a name?
Yeah, the name of the soup is like vegetables that people don't use a lot for in winter.
Have we tried it or niet?
Nee.
Mana,
with,
mana.
I don't know how to talk in English, but big. And then there goes something out.
Cauliflower?
No,
Why?
big. It looks like a big, like something is in the ground and then something comes.
Cabbage.
No cabbage.
I need radish? Or, I don't know what you're trying to say.
Let's see.
Hindi niya alam kung anong vegetable yun.
Celeriac.
Celery.
Celeriac.
It's healthy. Start na. Napakadaming carrots. Yan, so tapos na yung aking lumpia. Mag-wrap na lang ako later. I'll wait till it cools down first and then i-wrap ko na later. And yeah, i-update ko na lang kayo about sa symptoms if meron man tomorrow or 2 days later. So yeah, kita-kita next time. Hello, it's Monday and yeah, I had my vaccination on Saturday yun, 11 o'clock. So maybe 2 hours later, na-feel ko na yung dito, tightness dito. And then swollen siya. Hindi siya swollen talaga. Yung feeling lang na swollen. Hi. Xin chào. So nanonood kami ng movie, but then I thought i-ano ko na to para ma-edit ko na yung video. Today, it's the second day since I had my vaccination. Yesterday, I think later that night, later in the evening, parang feeling ko lalagnatin ako or I felt like I was gonna have fever, but then hindi naman, thankfully. But then I had muscle pain. Yeah, so it was not nice, of course, but fortunately hindi naman walang fever, no fever. But then because when I got home, I took meds. I took nagparacetamol ako. So that helped. Yesterday, I didn't feel perfect, but it wasn't so bad either. So thankfully wala ring fever. And today, okay na. Medyo masakit pa rin dito a little bit, but nagagalaw ko naman siya ng normal today. Nag-ano pa nga kami earlier. May binuntahan kami, nagdakad-dakad kami sa isang city dito. But yeah, fortunately, wala naman akong grabing nakaka-alarma na symptoms. So, okay lang ako. Yung ibang friends or kakilala ko, nagka-fever, or hindi sila okay. But then, in my case, okay naman. Though namanhid yung braso ko, I thought that it was worse during the first dose, but then Sa second dose, yesterday, I didn't feel good. So, I just stayed home. And nag-relax lang ako. Kasi yung takot ko baka baka lagnatin ako. But thankfully, wala naman. So, yun lang. And, yeah, I'm glad na walang masyadong, ko na i-end yung video na, yung vlog natin. And yeah, if you haven't taken the vaccine or if you want to take the vaccine, go sa go. Pero if ayaw nyo naman, decision nyo din, di ba? So, katawan nyo yan eh. So, yeah. I hope you're all having a nice day. Xin chào Dodong. Mush mush babush. So, salamat for watching and shout out sa mga bago nating subscribers. Gusto ko din palang i-shout out yung mga friends ko dyan sa Ho Chi Minh City. We miss Vietnam. We always talk about Vietnam. Yeah. Hello sa mga taga-Brilliant English Vietnam, yung mga former colleagues ko doon. And yeah, hopefully, balik na sa normal lahat, no? Para makapag-travel na ulit tayo. And yeah, para makauwi na din ng Pilipinas, ganyan. Nakakamiss na din umuwi. And yeah, salamat for watching and see you sa susunod nating video. Mush mush babush! You can't really see it, but yeah, mush mush babush daw. Doei!